I was desperate to get the Airframe and Powerplant certification. It was something that I absolutely needed. I started looking into what I could do to fix that, and that's when I found the Aviation Institute of Maintenance in 2010. My name is Timothy Murray. I am the Director of Education for the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, Norfolk campus. I am a United States Navy veteran. I was an avionics technician. After 9/11, I decided I wanted to do something. So I went to enlist in the Army, and a Navy person scooped me up. And they were desperate for avionics technicians. That's when I first got introduced to the field of aviation maintenance. When I got out of the military, I went to college, because I was told at the time that that was really the thing to do. You get out of the military, you go to college. I went to a very expensive four-year university. However, once I graduated, what I found is there was no one who would hire me without the FAA certificate, which I didn't bother to get because I did not know that that was in any way relevant to my career trajectory. Astounding now, knowing what I know now, that's astounding that that information didn't get conveyed, but it doesn't get conveyed to a lot of us. A lot of us transitioning out in the military, we don't always know how the private sector is going to work. I didn't know until I came here that my resume was not competitive in the private sector because it was filled with military jargon and a lot of language that the average human resources person doesn't understand. I never received that type of education. I was ignorant to how that process works. So the entire process of getting an education here was priceless. The staff here at AIM is comprised predominantly of veterans, and as is the field itself of aviation maintenance. And I found that when I got accepted into the school, I already knew how important it was. I found that the experience that I got, particularly coming to this school, was they groomed me to use that skill set in the private sector, and ended up staying. I never left. It's funny the way that things worked out, because I was working as a teacher for about a week when I realized this is the absolute most fun job I have ever had in my life. I loved everything about it. From personal experience, the product that we offer here can absolutely change lives, and I would invite any student, any politician, or anyone who's interested to come take a look at what it is that we do here, and you'll see for yourself how great it is.